Hello, Doctor. My name is Nur Shafinaz with Husmadi, Bs17110227. So this is my question. So this is the question: whether the body weight of a student changes after moving from one state to another state. So from R, the data from both states are normally distributed. Also, the homogeneity of variance is equal. So for my research question, is there any differences between Sabah and Sarawak state body height kg of student? So this is my data summarization. In this table, 14 data was collected from 40 students, whereby one independent variable, which is body weight, and two categorical variables, consist Sabah and Sarawak state, collected from each student. This is my experiment design. We have two categories, Sabah and Sarawak. One sample size for each student. Sample size is 7 students. Body weight was obtained from each category of student. This is my box plot, which is the comparison between body weight between Sabah and Sarawak state. We have two groups, Sabah and Sarawak, and in y-axis is body weight. So explanation: the box plot can show the differences between Sabah and Sarawak state body height of student. From this box plot, Sabah state have more spreading compared to Sarawak state in terms of body weight of student. In Sarawak state, there was two outliers. So what test? So in this question, I used two independent sample t-tests because from this test, differences between means in two unrelated group can be determined. So data type, we have two categorical variables, Sabah and Sarawak state, and one dependent variable, which is body weight. Assumption: dependent variables must be continuous variable, independent variables must be categorical, two group, and normal distributed of dependent variable, homogeneity of variances across group. So this is the hypothesis. H0 is equal to Sabah, and mu Sabah is not equal to Sarawak. So this is the criteria. Alpha is 0.05, and this is a two-tail test. So I move on to our studio. So this is my data. So I run them. So I use box plot to make. So this is the box plot. Use Shapiro test. So more than 0.9, so it's conclude as normally distributed. So we do not reject null hypothesis. Also for Sarawak state, larger than 0.5, which is normally distributed. So we next move on to Devon test. Run. So in this one is more than 0.05. So from this you can conclude that so from this one variance is not equal, and that I cannot run my t-test. So a problem. Yeah, I have no conclusion actually.